What's up? My name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a bit of a different video. This is half recorded on my laptop, half on my main PC. As I left this going, it took some time to do. In today's video, I'll be answering the really basic question of, can you take your existing Apex Legends game files from Origin and transfer them across to your Steam version, do a small little update, and play the game without having to re-download the entire game? Well, as you've probably seen, the 30 to 40 gig download from Steam is quite a lot, especially if you already have the game files on another platform. The answer? Yes, and I'll be showing you exactly how I did it, as well as proof in this video. So first of all, make sure that you open up Origin and update your existing Apex Legends install. This is incredibly important to make sure that the files are detected as the same signature so that only the minor changes will be done through Steam. Then, after the game has fully updated, open up the game's install path on Origin. Then when you see all of the Apex Legends files, just leave them where they are. Head across to Steam, open up the Apex Legends store page and click Play Now. Choose a place to install and click Next. Then it'll start allocating file space. Simply make sure that you have more than enough file space on the disk already. Then, before cancelling out of this, open up your file browser and navigate across to where the game is installing to. Open up the Apex Legends folder inside of your Steam Apps folder. Then simply cancel the install on Steam and then exit out of Steam completely through clicking the Steam button in the top left and then clicking Exit. After Steam is completely closed, make sure to either cut or copy all of the game files across from the Origin folder on the left to the Steam folder on the right. Simply wait for that to finish, and after it's done, you can go ahead and fire up Steam, then locate the game, and once again ask it to install. I had to go a bit of a long way around, and instead of installing it from the store, I had to find it on my Steam library, as this account was currently signed into on another computer with Apex installed. Regardless, I simply clicked install and it went through all of my existing files, discovering which ones needed to be replaced. Eventually, it got to the very end and it only had to do a really minor download to replace only the files that were different between the Steam and Origin versions. I don't exactly know how much of a difference there was, but I would assume it's really tiny, as when I went across to the downloads page, it didn't tell me much info other than the game's download size in full, even though it didn't download that much. But anyways, with all that aside, the question has been answered. Yes, you can copy the files across and then only have a tiny update to download. Thank you for watching. My name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.